Hey everybody, my name is Michael, and today I'm excited to give you a detailed demonstration and comparison review between this stunt car here on the left and this stunt car here on the right. So overall, I really do like both of these stunt cars. They both have a bit of a similar look, but I do think there are some pretty notable differences, and I do actually have a preference for which one I think is better. Now, if I had to make a choice, I actually would go with the stunt car here on the left. The first thing that I like about it, and I think it showed through pretty well in my demonstration comparison video, is that this stunt car here on the left, this one lights up way more than this stunt car here on the right. Much more illumination, and in my estimation, a lot more fun because of it. Another thing I really like about this stunt car here on the left is that it actually has, and I'm going to come in here a little bit, it actually has a demonstration button right here. And so what that means is that, and I actually did do it a little bit in the video, what that basically means is that instead of holding the controller and, using your thumb to control the car, you could just tap the demonstration button and the car drives itself. It'll spin, it'll go forwards and backwards. It'll last for about a minute or two, but it gives you an ability to be able to enjoy the car, enjoy all of the fun stunts, without having to, actually control the car, which I think is nice. It's nice to be able to take a break from actually having to control the car, and still have the car be able to drive around for a couple of minutes. So while I do think that this is a really nice car in its own right, I actually really did like controlling this car. I think that this car on the left has just far more advantages, far more benefits than the car on the right. If you're interested in purchasing any of these products, I will leave a link below in the description for you to be able to do so. It is an affiliate link, and I will earn a small commission from your purchase, but it will be at no additional cost to you.